Have you ever considered hammock camping for your long-distance hikes? Imagine the freedom of setting up camp wherever you find two sturdy trees and sleeping above the ground, cradled by a soft fabric cocoon. It's this unique experience that has turned many backpackers into hammock enthusiasts. Hammocks are not just about the cozy sleep they offer, though. They keep you elevated from the wet, damp ground, which is a massive plus if you're hiking in rainy or misty conditions. And if you're someone who appreciates the beauty of nature and wants to leave as little trace as possible, hammocks are a great choice. With tree-friendly suspension systems, they cause minimal impact on the environment. Moreover, hammocks offer you the flexibility to set up camp in a variety of locations. No need to scout for flat, smooth ground. As long as there are trees, you're good to go. And for the creative souls out there, hammock camping can open doors to do-it-yourself gear building. Crafting your own hammock and tarp can be a rewarding experience. But, as with anything, hammock camping comes with its own set of challenges. One of the main ones is finding suitable trees for hanging your hammock. Sometimes, you may need to walk a bit further to find the perfect spot. And then there's the skill of setting up the hammock. You need to master the angles, positioning, and tension to create a comfortable sleeping environment. For those who prefer sleeping on their stomach, adjusting to a hammock might take some time. And although hammocks can be a bit heavier than ultralight ground setups, with careful planning and selection, a lightweight sleep and shelter system is achievable. Now, let's dive into the specifics of setting up a hammock for camping. The ideal hammock setup includes a hammock, tarp, underquilt, sleeping pads, stakes, and a ground sheet. You'll also need to learn a few basic knots like the marlin spike hitch and J-bend. In the world of hammock camping, several manufacturers are known for their quality and lightweight products. Companies like Hammock Gear, War Bonnet, Dream Hammock, Dutch Wear Gear, and Hennessy Hammocks are just a few of the names you might want to explore. To summarize, hammock camping offers a unique and comfortable sleeping experience, flexibility in choosing your campsite, and an opportunity to minimize your impact on the environment. However, it does require a bit of skill and potentially walking further to find a suitable location. But with the right gear and a bit of practice, hammock camping can be a game changer for your long-distance hikes. So why not give it a try on your next backpacking adventure?